Good evening, this is Ethiopia Insight. Immigration officer condemned by judges after Ethiopian asylum seeker attempts suicide. In a startling revelation, the Western Cape High Court has rebuked a senior immigration officer for her repugnant behavior towards an Ethiopian asylum seeker who made a desperate attempt on his life while under her care. The incident sheds light on systemic failures within the immigration system, raising questions about accountability and the treatment of vulnerable individuals seeking refuge. An Ethiopian asylum seeker, Tsegaye Esias, found himself ensnared in a harrowing ordeal after being allegedly misled by a senior immigration official, Annelies van Dijk, into paying an admission of guilt fine. Despite his inability to communicate in English, Esias claims he was coerced into confessing to being in South Africa illegally, an act that led to his subsequent arrest and incarceration. Judges James Lekuleni and Patricia Goliath of the Western Cape High Court did not mince words in their condemnation of Van Dijk's actions, labeling her behavior as deplorable and inhuman. They ordered the admission of guilt fine to be set aside, directing that Esias be refunded the amount paid. Furthermore, they called for Van Dijk to be removed from the case and emphasized the need for a fair hearing with a competent interpreter. Tsegayes's affidavit paints a stark picture of his ordeal, detailing his struggles to navigate the asylum process and the alleged mistreatment he endured at the hands of immigration officials. His attempt to take his own life underscores the profound psychological trauma inflicted upon vulnerable individuals caught in the web of bureaucratic indifference and systemic neglect. The judge's scathing rebuke of Van Dijk's conduct serves as a rallying cry for accountability and reform within the immigration system. The incident exposes a pattern of behavior that undermines the principles of justice and human dignity, demanding swift action to address the root causes of such injustices. As the spotlight shines on this troubling case, it serves as a sobering reminder of the challenges faced by asylum seekers and migrants in their quest for safety and security. It is imperative that steps are taken to ensure that individuals like Tsegaye Esias are treated with the dignity and respect they deserve, free from the fear of coercion or mistreatment at the hands of those tasked with protecting them. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe Ethiopia Insight for the latest news and insights.